Hello everyone, this is the second part. So this is actually my mother's phone. It had a better camera than mine, so I'm using it to film. I'm in the washroom. It's time for the review. There's a light here, and this is the baby change one. So where the baby's diaper can be changed. Okay, that's lot. And this is tea store for crew only. This is the flush, the waste bin, obviously with no cigarettes. This is the hand wash. Okay, works really well. Okay, it is hot water. This is the soap. This is the tissues, and this is for the sick bag. So test flush. Okay, the test flush went really well. It's a vacuum toilet. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my seat. Okay, they have turned the lights off. Navigation lights are on, so which means we will begin the descent. Okay, so the maximum speed at cruise is 853 kilometers per hour, and the max recorded speed was 878 kilometers per hour. Average speed is 647. The distance covered is 693.4 kilometers. These windows have become ice cold. They're really cold. They're like freezer temperature. Okay, it's been 5 minutes since they've turned the light off. I think they're going to start at descending in about 30 minutes. So I'm going to have some sleep for 15 minutes. Okay, we have begun the descent, and now after we touch down or during touchdown, I've moved to a front seat where I can see the engine spinning clearly. Lot of black clouds, and we are gonna see the engine spinning. Okay, we are descending to a lower altitude. The city lights becoming more and more visible, and the windows are also starting to warm up. Okay, we have encountered some turbulence right now, and I will switch on the seat belts in any second. I adjusted the camera's brightness, and the blinking dot you see moving is another aircraft. He is also moving in the same direction because of the navigational lights. It's the red light which is blinking, so which means the navigation light on the wing, which is red, is the left side, so he's moving with us. If he was moving in the opposite direction, it would be the right side with the green light. So he's also moving with us.
30 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a Captain Parshvameta from the flight deck. Varanasi is reporting a temperature of 19 degrees Celsius with a good visibility of 2.5 kilometers. On behalf of Indigo family, I thank you for choosing Indigo. Thank you for being with us. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the Indigo experience. Cabin crew, prepare for arrival, please.
Okay, the captain has just given the announcement. We'll be landing in 30 minutes. The outside temperature in Varanasi is 19 degrees centigrade, and the visibility is 2.5 kilometers. 19 degrees centigrade. Seatbelt sign has been turned on. We are descending, so my ears are beginning to pop. So more on that in another video. Okay. So the city lights are becoming a lot more visible now because we are descending. I think we may be at 10 or 12,000 feet above ground right now. Okay, the pilot has given instructions to the cabin crew to sit down in the seats for landing. Okay, the lights are turned off, and in any minute they're gonna turn on the landing lights. Just as I told you, the landing lights have been turned on. So yeah, this is the view of the wing, the navigation lights and the landing lights and the engine. Okay, we are currently in the right bank. We can see the highway in a distance. There are cars, trucks moving on the highway. The city lights have become a lot more clearer now. Just watch the descent. You can also see the light shows in a distance. Yeah, they are doing it for advertising. I think that's a mall or a tower which is showing the light show. Looks so good. Okay, the engines have spooled down. They are going to, I think, 50% of the power. It is 10:25 p.m. and we are still descending. We are banking left. I think the pilots are aligning the aircraft towards the airport. Just don't mind the noise in the background. Another left bank. They have extended the landing gear so we can hear and feel the vibrations of the hydraulic fluid extending the gear. The landing gear has been fully locked into place with a final thud. Just watch the landing, I mean the descent. They're even slowing the engine down. Wow, so much good view. We are maintaining a constant 289 kilometers per hour and the distance covered is 1504.08 kilometers. Okay, touchdown in 5. Wow, the design is so good. Let's butter the bricks. Reverse thrust engaged. Airbus A320 reverse thrust is so powerful. 3, 2, 1. We are slowing down. 102, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40. The landing was a good landing. You can see the engine spinning.
सभी यात्रियों से निवेदन है कि वह अपने स्थान पर ही बैठे रहे, कुर्सी की पट्टी बांधे रखें। धन्यवाद। Requesting all the customers to remain seated and fasten your seat belts. Thank you.
Just see the engine spinning, that spiral and a crescent moon.
ध्यान दीजिए, अब हम वाराणसी पहुंच गए हैं। आपसे निवेदन है द्वार खोलने के बाद कृपया विंडो शीट्स बंद कर दें और एविल्स खोल दें। धन्यवाद। Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived.
Passengers, please remain seated. Cabin crew, Samastha, thank you.
Varanasi, now we request to close the window shades and open the air vents once the aircraft doors open. Thank you.
Lights on. Wing walker is guiding. Stop with the red sign. Okay, okay. Great flight. it is
अब आप
time
मोबाइल
for
फोन्स का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। सीट बेल्ट साइन बंद होने और विमान के रुकने तक आप अपने स्थान पर बैठे रहें। कृपया सामान कक्ष सावधानी से खोलें। You may now use your mobile phones. We request you to please remain seated until the seat belt sign has been switched off. Please be careful while opening the overhead bins, as items may have moved during the flight.
engine 2 shutdown successful. Shutdown successful. Thank you, Mr. Right Hand Engine, for giving me this view. Okay, it is time to rate this flight. So, service 10 out of 10, great crew, everything. Then the crew performed fabulously, were very good. So that was a 10 out of 10. The takeoff 10 out of 10, landing out of out. What I didn't like was the turbulence. It was a lot, but crew performed very good. So for turbulence, let's give it a 9.5 out of 10. So overall, it's a really great flight. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and have a nice day.